Hi, today we're going to be doing Borrago's Brûléed Orange and Spice Borrago and Tonic. So at the heart of it, Borrago and Tonic, a classic serve, but we're going to be making this much more exciting with some brûléed orange slices and a little bit of cinnamon, so a bit more of a wintry serve. Starting with some ice, we've got some beautiful clear ice today, nice big ice cubes, really like those. And our standard serve, 25ml, that's the small end of the jigger, to a bottle of tonic. Borrago is punchy stuff, so you only need to use one shot to a bottle of tonic. I'm using Fever Tree today, but obviously use whichever tonic you prefer. And that goes in there like that. A deliciously refreshing drink it is. The brûléed orange slices, just sprinkle a little bit of sugar on these and blow-torched it to get that sort of wonderful caramelly, delicious oranginess. So we're going to get those in there. Cinnamon stick, lovely, let's get that little mix in there as well. And as ever, because we're Borrago, a little borage flour for our garnish. And that is it. Cheers, nice and simple. But delicious.